Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with this month's November's Boxycharm box. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. But before you do so, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so you could get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media. And also I just want to apologize, I am a little bit sick, so this is why I'm going to sound a little bit funny. But other than that, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my face with this Beaute Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm taking this Lancome corrector in the shade Peach, and I'm going to apply it to my under eye circles. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. Next, taking my Boxycharm box from this month, I'm going to take my Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm just going to take some and put a few drops. Well, I think I went a little bit overboard, but it's fine because I'm going to blend it in with my foundation. Next, I'm going to take my Smashbox concealer. Next, I'm going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder to bake. Next, going back into my Boxycharm box, I'm going to take the palette, and this is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and it looks like this. It looks very pigmented. I'm going to be swatching Jasmine. Next, I'm going to be swatching Clove. This one is, I don't know how to say it, Myrtle. This one's really pigmented. Next, I'm going to be swatching Cinnamon, Patchouli. I don't know, these names are weird, and I'm really bad at names. Next, Rose, then Poppy, and Prime Rose. They are very pigmented shades. Next, also going back into the Boxycharm box, I'm going to be taking the Luxie brushes that came in. So it came with 4 synthetic brushes. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Jasmine, and I'm going to apply it as my brow bone highlight. And I'm going to go in with the shade Patchouli. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. Next, I'm taking the shade Cinnamon. Next, I'm going to take one of the Luxie brushes that came in the Boxycharm box, and I'm going to take the shade Poppy. And I'm going to go in with the shade Myrtle. I don't know how to say it. Myrtle, whatever. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Jasmine and put it as my inner corner highlight. Next, I'm going to go back in with the shade Cinnamon and apply it to my bottom lash line. Next, going back into my Boxycharm box, I'm going to take this glitter star eyeliner. So I'm just going to apply it to my top lash line. Next, last but not least, I'm going to be taking these Lashaholics Luxury Lashes that came in the Boxycharm box. Next, taking the Cookie Powder Contour Palette, I'm going to be taking this shade right here to contour. Next, taking the Pure Masquerade palette, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here for my blush. And I'm also going to be going in with this shade right here. And for highlight, I'm going to be taking this shade right here as well. Next, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Powder to set everything. For the lips, I'm going to use my Smashbox Always On lipstick in the shade Stay Neutral. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!